We are here again on this very channel. Good evening, my people. How are you doing? Hope you are good. Please do share this very information because it is very serious. Yes, Festus Keyamo is very happy. Something is actually making him happy. All right, please do subscribe if you are meeting us for the first time. Let us break the news. Festus Keyamo said, "Hey, I am very happy. Bola Ahmed Tinubu's drug dealing in Chicago would take center stage before Nigeria's Supreme Court." Keyamo is sharing the news. He said he's so happy that the Tinubu's case would take place in Nigerian courts. It don't finish now. Matter don't finish. They know Tinubu can buy in fact, he can buy the whole lawyers with the bullion van money because everybody needs money now. Yes, they made people so weak financially, so hopeless financially, that they use their own money that they have laundered, that they've gathered in a very dirty way to lobby people to buy their conscience. That's why he's happy that that case will be decided in Nigerian court. Let me read what he's writing here. You just need to follow us to get the real gist, okay? So that you know what to tell others. Festus Keyamo, a spokesperson for the ruling All Progressive Congress Presidential Campaign Council, says he's happy President-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu's drug-related case in the United States will be heard in Nigerian's court. In a tweet he posted on Monday via his verified account, Mr. Keyamo stated that the hearing will set aside the difference between dispassionate adjudication of issues and stop the propaganda against Mr. Tinubu's shady past. Mr. Keyamo said he was confident that the court will favor Mr. Tinubu. "I'm excited about these issues raised in those election petitions, all the deceit and lies and misinformation and disinformation about otherwise very simple and very clear issues are about to be busted by our law lords. That is law, L-A-W, lords. Whoever continues to argue about that should relocate to another planet," said Mr. Keyamo. The ABC campaign spokesperson added that Nigerians will finally see the huge difference between calm, dispassionate adjudication of issues and all the hoopla caused by garrulous spokesperson shaking and falling on stage. Ignorant TV hosts turned debaters, misinformed documentaries, illiterate tweets, and some dancing Hajibi mamas. Last November, Mr. Keyamo claimed that Mr. Tinubu, the party flag bearer, only shared a block of flats with notorious cocaine dealers in Chicago, pushing back after the release of court documents that suggested Mr. Tinubu's ties to illicit drug business and money laundering in the United States. What happened was that Asiwaju Bola Tinubu went to open an account. The address with which he used in opening the account was the address used by these people. I think some blocks of flats, maybe he happened to be in the block of flats too. Mr. Keyamo has said that to defend his principal. So they now link it to the other people that were investigating for narcotics in the same address used by Asiwaju to open that account. People's Gazette published certified copies of 1993 case recently released by the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of Illinois. The documents confirmed that the U.S. government had in July 1993 sought forfeiture of proceeds of narcotics Mr. Tinubu was accused of laundering. The matter was resolved in a compromise between the Tinubu'S and the U.S. authorities, with the Tinubu'S being asked to keep the money in the Heritage Bank account, while the 460,000 US dollars in the city account was forfeited. Okay, that's what Keyamo is saying. The only joy he has is that the thing has been brought to their kitchen. It has been brought to their tie, where they can control judiciary and get away with it. Is it not money? Now money they will pay now. He was not comfortable when that issue was raised in the first place, because he thought he has to go to US to defend Tinubu, which he knows is a very difficult thing for him to do, because if he dare goes there, Tinubu may end up in jail. So now I don't know how they lobbied their way out to tell the US to come to Nigeria for decision, or either to hand the case over to them for them to decide what goes and what does not go, because Tinubu must be president. Yes, that is his joy. His joy is not that the man did not take hand, or is not a narcotic dealer, but his own joy is that the case has been brought down to Nigeria. So what a country that their judiciary have no power over them. Judiciary, they say, is the hope of common man, but this particular judiciary we are having in Nigeria, hey, is the worst of it all. What happened if they are not the worst? That Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was asked to be released, but nothing happened, and yet judiciary did nothing as a whole. All of them put together, the lawyers, those that claim they are educated, and those that claim that education is power, suddenly they have lost their power. Even their own verdict was not obeyed in their own country. So it's as funny as that. Unbelievable indeed. All right. So Keyamo is telling you that it is over. He said after the case, after the decision they will take in Nigerian judiciary, in the court here, if you don't believe in the judgment, you should travel to another planet. You know how terrible his vibes can be. The man is rude to the core. He has no respect for anybody, but he respects every bit of kobo. He respects money, not human. All right. So I am urging Peter Obi and the rest of his lawyers to take it in good faith. For them to bring the case in Nigeria, then it is a done deal. They have bribed their way out or over. Right? And that's it, my dear people. I'll always keep you posted. I will always give you what is going on time. Very, very important. Please do subscribe, like our videos, and also share the news. Thank you.